Hello friends, ఈ వీడియోలో మనము రంగారెడ్డి డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ ప్రీఫైనల్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ విత్ ఆన్సర్స్ డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. Section 1, first question. Show that 2, comma minus 3 are 0 of the polynomial x square plus x minus 6. So to prove that they are zeros, if you replace the value of 2 in the place of x, 2 ni x place lo replace chesaka answer 0 say it is the 0 of the polynomial. Similarly, if you replace minus 3 in the place of x, our answer is 0. Therefore, 2 and minus 3 are zeros of the given polynomial. Find the value of sine 36 cos 54 plus sine 54 cos 36. So they are the complementary angles. So out of 2 we need to change only one. So sine 36 can be written as sine 90 minus 54. So 90 minus 54 value 36 కాబట్టి ఈ విధంగా రాసుకోవాలి. Why you have to subtract only 90? Because they are complementary angles. Into cos 54 I have to write as it is. So sine 54, I will change cos 36 as cos 90 minus 54. So clearly sine 90 minus 54 is cos 54 into cos 54 plus sine 54 into sine 54. Reason is complementary angle of cos will become sine. So cos 54 into cos 54 is cos square 54 plus sine 54 into sine 54 is sine square 54. This is the identity 1. So answer is 1. So sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Obviously sine square 54 plus cos square 54 will become 1. Moving on to the third question, linear equation 3x plus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. Write another two linear equations such that they form parallel lines. So for parallel lines, this is the condition a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. So you have to take a line parallel to this line so that it satisfies the given condition. So you can double it. So 3x double is 6x, 2y double is 4y, but don't double the constant. You can take any number. So another equation which is parallel to 3x plus 2y minus 7 is equal to 9x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. So 6x plus 4y minus 8 is equal to 0. 9x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0 are the two lines which are parallel to 3x plus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. Moving on to the fourth question. A electric pole stands vertically on the ground from a point which is 18 meters away from the foot of the pole. The angle of elevation of the top of the pole is 30 degrees. Draw the suitable diagram for the information. So this is the diagram based on the question. If a is equal to log 1 base 2, log 2 base 2, log 4 base 2, log 8 base 2 and b is equal to set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, find a minus b. So this is the connection problem. We call it as connection problem because logarithm and sets are connected here. So log 1 value is 0, log 2 base 2 value is 1 because log a base a value is 1. Log 4 base 2 value is 2. Reason is 4 can be expressed as 2 square. So log 2 base 2 value is 1. So 2 into log 2 base 2 value is 2 only. So similarly log 8 can be expressed as 2 power of 3. This 3 will be going to here. Reason is formula. Log a power of m base a is equal to m log a base a. So applying these logarithm formulas, we will got A set as 0, 1, 2 and 3. B set is given as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So A minus B is nothing but 0, 1, 2, 3 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So cancelling the common terms, which are the elements in the first set is nothing but A minus B. So A minus B answer is set 0. Sixth question, A, B belongs to natural numbers, A greater than B, this is very important condition, and mean of A plus B, A minus B, A is 4, find the median. Three observations given in the question, A plus B, A minus B, A, and mean is given as 4. We know the formula of mean, which is sum of observation by number of observation. So I am adding all the observation, A plus B plus A minus B plus A divided by 3 total observation. So 3 get cancelled, A value is 4. So we don't require A here. In the question asked is for median. So median is equal to, first we have to arrange in ascending order. So whatever the middle number is there, that is the median. So A is the median which got it as 4. So median is 4. Seventh one, if x square plus y square is equal to 21xy, then show that 2 log x minus y is equal to log x plus log y plus log 90. Take LHS, x square plus y square is equal to 21xy. Subtract 2xy on both sides. Why we have to subtract? In the proof, it is asked log x minus y, 2 log x minus y. So we have to subtract. If Log question contains log x plus y. You have to add plus 2xy on both sides. In this case, we have to subtract 2xy on both sides. So this is in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a minus b whole square, that is x minus y whole square, which is 19xy. So now we have to add logarithm on both sides. So log x minus y whole square is equal to log 19xy. So we know a log a power of m formula m log a, sorry, m log a, that is m log, so 2 log x minus y is equal to log 19 plus log x plus log y. Log a b c formula is log a plus log b plus log c. Similarly, log 19xy can be expressed as log 19 plus log x plus log y. This is what we have to prove in the problem. Eighth question, if 2x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0 and 4x plus ay is equal to 8 are coincident lines, then find the value of a. So this is the condition of coincident line. So the two equations are 2x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0, 4x plus ay is equal to 8. When minus 4 goes to the other side, it will become plus 4. Now we will take the ratio of a1 by a2, which is 1 by 2, b1 by b2 is 3 by 8, c1 by c2 is 1 by 2. You can equate a1 by a2 with b1 by b2 or b1 by b2 with c1 by c2. We'll get the same answer. So a1 by a2 is 1 by 2, c1 by b1 by b2 is 3 by a. If we do cross multiplication, a value will become 6. Sum to n terms of an arithmetic progression given by the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. There is another formula also. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l if first term and last term are given. So terms are, n is number of terms, a is equal to first term, d is common difference, which is a2 minus a. In triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degrees, CD is median, then show that BC square is equal to AC square minus 4AD square. So whenever such type of diagrammatic problem is given, you have to take these steps towards. Given, what is given in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degrees and CD is median. Whatever condition is there, you have to take the step. Required to prove, or to prove, we have to prove BC square is equal to AC square minus 4AD square, and diagram we have to take in the answer sheet, then actual proof come. So writing this diagram, drawing this diagram and these two steps indicate some marks. In triangle ABC is a right angle triangle, so you have to use Pythagoras theorem. In triangle ABC, it is obviously AC square will become AB square plus BC square. So AC square is equal to AB, I will express as AD plus DB whole square plus BC square. So AC square is equal to, I will write AD plus DB as AD plus AD only. Reason is both are equal. D is median. So plus BC square. So left hand side AC square is equal to AD plus AD is 2AD whole square plus BC square. We know the value of 2AD whole square will be, which become 4AD square plus BC square. So we will take this BC to the left hand side. BC square is equal to AC square minus 4AD square. The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of a tree is 45 degrees and the angle of elevation of the top of the tree from the foot of the building is 60. The perpendicular distance from the foot of the tree and foot of the building is 100 meters. Then find the distance between the tree and building is 100 meters, which is given. So we need to find height of the building and height of the tree in the question. So tan 45 in this triangle ABC, tan 45 is equal to opposite by adjacent. So opposite is AB, adjacent is 100, therefore height of the building will become 100 meters. So remember one trick students, in 45 degrees tan, whatever the adjacent side will be there, height will be also similar, only for 45 degrees. So height of the building we got it as 100. Now in triangle, another triangle BDC. So in triangle BDC, tan 60 is equal to opposite side by, which is DC, by adjacent side 100. Tan 60 value is root 3, which is DC by 100. So DC is equal to 100 into root 3. Therefore, height of the tree is 100 root 3 meters and height of the building is 100 meters. 12th question, if the dice is rolled at a time, then find the probability of getting sum of two digits is prime number. It seems this question is wrong, students. If two dice are rolled at a time, because at a time condition is there means it will be 2. Sum of the numbers is prime number. Total number of possible outcome if 2 dice are thrown is 36. So prime numbers can be 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. So to get this number, the possibilities are 1 comma 1, 1 comma 1 for 2. Possibilities for 3 comma 3 is 1, 2, 2, 1. And possibilities for 5 is 1, 4, 4, 1, 3, 2, 2, 3. So possibilities for 7 will be 3, 4, 4, 3, 6, 1, 1, 6, 2, 5, 5, 2. And possibilities of getting some 11 which is prime numbers will be 5 6 and 6 5. So we'll see how many possibilities favorable outcomes are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So number of favorable outcomes is 15. Total possible outcomes are 36. So probability of getting a sum prime number is 15 by 36. We'll see section 3. In section 3, we have choice. 6 question will be given. We have to attempt only 6. Total weightage is 24. A metallic cylinder of height 4 centimeters and radius is 3 centimeters is melted and recast into sphere. Then find the diameter of the sphere. So given height of the cylinder is 4 centimeters, radius is 3 centimeters. Whenever the recasted melted word is given, we have to use this formula, students. Volume of cylinder is equal to volume of sphere. We know the volume of cylinder formula pi r square h. Volume of sphere formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. As pi is constant, we will cancel on either side. Radius of cylinder is 3 centimeters. So 3 into 3. Height of cylinder is given as 4. 3 into 3 into 4 is equal to 4 by 3 into r cube. Doing calculation, we will get r value as 3. So if r is equal to 3, diameter will be twice the radius which is 6 centimeters. So answer for this question is 6 centimeters. Moving to 14th question, show that the points minus 2, 3, minus 2, 4, 3, 3, 3, minus 4 taken in order are the vertices of a rectangle. So A, B, C, D is given. So first we will find the distance between AB. So we need to use the distance formula 6 times first all the sides, then diagonals. If opposite sides are equal and diagonals are also equal, then this form the vertices of a rectangle. Let's see what opposite sides are equal or not. AB distance is 7. Root 49 value is 7. The distance between A and B is 7. And the distance between B and C is root 74. We'll see CD, distance between CD is again 7 which is 40 root 49, and distance between DA is root 74. Now mid we'll see the diagonal. AC diagonal is root 25 which is 5, and BD diagonal is root 25 5. So clearly opposite sides are equal. 7 7 root 74 root 74, and diagonal value is 5 and 5. Clearly opposite sides are equal and diagonals are equal, therefore these are the given vertices of a rectangle. Moving on to the 15th question, if A is equal to AE IOU, B is equal to AC HIMST, then find the value of n of A union B, n of A intersection C, and n of B minus. To find n of A union B, we need to find A union B first. A union B అంటే ఏలో ఉన్నాయి బిలో ఉన్న ఎలిమెంట్స్ కలిపి రాయాలి, బట్ డోంట్ మేక్ షూర్ దట్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ డోంట్ రిపీట్. సో హియర్ హౌ మెనీ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఆర్ దేర్? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. సో నంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఇన్ A union B is equal to 10. n of A union B అంటే నంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఇన్ A union B అన్నమాట. సో which is 10. So a number of elements in A intersection B is also asked in the question. So to find number of elements in A intersection B, first we have to find A intersection B. So common elements in both the sets are A and I. So A and I are the set for A intersection B, and number of elements in A intersection B is 2. Is B minus A. To find number of elements in B minus A, first we need to find B minus A. So cancelling the like terms in both the sets, and remaining elements in the first set is nothing but A minus B, which is CHMST. There are 5 elements in B minus A, therefore n of B minus A is equal to 5. The height of a triangle is 4 centimeters less than its base. If the area of a triangle is 96 centimeters square, then find the base and height. So this is the right angle triangle ABC, and we don't know the base. Let's take base as x. The height of the triangle is 4 centimeters less, so it will be x minus 4, and area is given as 96. We know the area of triangle formula, which half into base into height. So 96 is equal to half into base x, and height is x minus 4. When division goes to the other side, it will become multiplication. 96 into 2 is 192, which is equal to x into x minus 4. So 192 is equal to x square minus 4x, quadratic equation. So this is a quadratic equation, and we need to find the roots using factorization method. So the factors of, you need to split the middle term. The factors of 192 are 16 and 12. So 16 minus 12 is 4. 16 into 12 is 192. So we'll split the quadratic equation as x square minus 16x plus 12x minus 192 is equal to 0. So taking x common in first two term and 12 in the next two term, you will get the answer as x is equal to 16. X cannot be negative, minus 12, so base is 16 and height will be 12. So base of the triangle. Mathematics pre-final 2 part B question paper answers discuss చేద్దాం. Question number 1. Find the number of zeros of the polynomial p of x is equal to x to the power of 4 plus 5x square minus 7x cube plus 8 is. So number of zeros means the utmost zeros will be the degree of the polynomial. So maximum zeros will be 4. Correct option is C. Which of the following is a terminating decimal? So 5 by 16 is a terminating decimal because 16 can be expressed as 2 to the power of 4 and same as 5 to the power of 0. If denominator is in the form of 2 power of n, 5 power of m, then it is a terminating decimal. So correct option for second question is B, 5 by 16. The discriminant of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is b square minus 4ac. Which of the following is arithmetic progression? ఈ ఫోర్ ఆప్షన్స్ లో అరిథమెటిక్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్ ఏంటో చూడాలి. సో అరిథమెటిక్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్ అనగానే మనకి d వాల్యూ a2 మైనస్ a1 విల్ బి సేమ్ యాజ్ a3 మైనస్ a2 ఉండాలి. సో 2 root 3 minus root 3 should be equal to 3 root 3 minus 2 root 3. 2 root in the first term, second term లో root 3 కామన్ కాబట్టి 2 minus 1, and third term ఈ రెండిట్లో root 3 కామన్ ఉంది కాబట్టి 3 minus 2. So root 3 into 2 minus 1 is 1, root 3 into 3 minus 2 is 1. Clearly left hand side and right hand side are same, so correct option for fourth question is C. In triangle ABC, DE are the midpoints of AB and AC respectively. Then DE is, so if it is 8 centimeters, obviously DE will be 4 centimeters. Sixth question, if L, B, H are length, breadth and height of a cuboid, then the curved surface area of the cuboid is 2H into L plus B. Seventh question, if cot theta is equal to 8 by 15, then sin theta is equal to. Sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse, opposite to theta is 15 and hypotenuse is 17. So 15 by 17 is the correct answer. If E and E are complementary events and P of E is equal to 2 by 5, then P of not E is. So 1 minus 2 by 5 will be the correct option. So 5 ones are 5 minus 2 by 5 is 3 by 5. Correct option is C. Ninth question, P of x is a polynomial and maximum 0 of P of x are 3. Then which of the following diagram shows the correct polynomial? This is the correct polynomial because this curve is meeting x-axis at 3 points. Correct option for ninth question is A. Tan theta is equal to 5, then secant theta minus tan theta is 1 by 5. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle EFD, angle A is 50 and angle F is 55, then angle C is 75. Which of the following event is the probability? 1 by 5 is a probability because always probability lies between 0 and 1, including 0 and 1. So rest of A, C, D are more than 1. So correct option for 12th question is B, 1 by 5. The value of sine 0, sine 1, sine 2, so on, sine 20 is 0. Reason is sine 0 value is 0. 0 into any number will also be the 0. So correct option for 13th question is D. If P of x is equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 7x minus 5, then the quotient of x square is minus 6. Correct option is C. 2 minus 3, 4, 3 are endpoints of a line segment. Then the slope of the line is given by the formula m is equal to y2 by minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So y2 is 3 minus 3 by x2 is 4, x1 is 2. So 3 plus 3 by 2 is 6 by 2 is 3. Correct option is A. Which of the following is in geometric progression? So D option is in geometric progression because in geometric progression its ratio should be same. A2 by A1 should be same as A3 by A2 should be same as A4 by A3. Clearly 6 by 3, 12 by 6, 24 by 12 all are equal to 2. So correct option is D. If the sum of zeros of a polynomial is 3 and product is 2, then the quadratic polynomial is. We know the quadratic polynomial formula x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. So x square minus sum is given as 3, product is given as 2. X square minus 3x plus 2 is the correct option, which is C. Cot square theta minus cosecant square theta answer is minus 1. We know the identity 3 cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is 1. But here in the question cot square theta minus cosecant square theta will be obviously minus 1. One of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial x square minus 4 is. So correct option here is B minus 2. AB, BC are tangents of a circle, then find the value of x. If it is 60, this one will be 120 degrees because sum of four angles in a quadrilateral will be should be equal to 360. Angle A and angle C is 90 because radius and tangents are always perpendicular to each other. So angle x is 120 degrees. Correct option for 20th question is హలో ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఈ వీడియోలో మనము హైదరాబాద్ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ ప్రీ ఫైనల్ 2 క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ విత్ ఆన్సర్స్ డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. ముందుగా పార్ట్ ఏ సెక్షన్ 1. సెక్షన్ 1 లో 6 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటాయి. చాయిస్ ఉండదు. 2 మార్క్స్ ఈచ్. టోటల్ వెయిటేజ్ 12 మార్క్స్. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, ఫైండ్ ద సెంట్రాయిడ్ ఆఫ్ ద ట్రయాంగిల్ whose vertices are 2, 3, 1 minus 2, 6, 5. So centroid formula is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. ఇచ్చిన పాయింట్స్ని x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3 అనుకొని ఫార్ములాలో రిప్లేస్ చేయాలి. సో మనం ఫార్ములాలో రిప్లేస్ చేశాక 2 plus 1 plus 6 is 9 by 3, 3 minus 2 plus 5 by 3 is 6 by 3. So centroid value is 3, 2. Second question, write a is equal to x such that x is equal to 1 by n square, n belongs to natural number, n is less than or equal to 5 in rooster form. ఇది సెట్ బిల్డర్ ఫామ్ లో ఉంది, మనం రూస్టర్ ఫామ్ లో కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి. సో రూస్టర్ ఫామ్ ఇచ్చిన కండిషన్ ఏంటంటే 1 by n స్క్వేర్ అంటే 1 by 1 స్క్వేర్, 1 by 2 స్క్వేర్, 1 by 3 స్క్వేర్, 1 by 4 స్క్వేర్, 1 by 5 స్క్వేర్. ఎందుకంటే ఇది స్క్వేర్ రూపంలో ఉంది కాబట్టి. సో 1 by 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25. So 1, 1 by 4, 1 by 9, 1 by 16, 1 by 25 is set A in rooster form. Verify whether the mean of first 7 odd numbers is odd or even. మనము first 7 odd numbers ఏంటో చూద్దాము. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Mean అంటే sum of observations by number of observations. We have to add all the observation by number of observation. There are 7 odd numbers, so divide by 7. Adding we get 49 by 7, which is 7. So in the question asked is whether the given mean is odd number or even number. So clearly 7 is an odd number. Divide the line segment AB is equal to 6 centimeters in 5 equal parts. So first ఒక line draw చేయాలి AB అని 6 centimeters తో. So 5 equal parts. Take the compass x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 all are equal parts. So last part ని join చేశాక parallel line construct చేయాలి. So x4 p4, x3 p3, x2 p2, x1 p1. So all are equal to each other. This is how we divide a line segment of 6 centimeters in 5 equal parts. If sin b is equal to 7 by 25, find the value of cos b. Sin b is equal to 7 by 25. Sin formula is opposite by hypotenuse. So for theta opposite is 7. So we have to take AC as 7. Hypotenuse is 25. Based on Pythagoras triad, if 7, 25, the other side will be 24. So cos b is adjacent side by hypotenuse. So adjacent to theta is 24 and hypotenuse is 25. So value of cos b is 24 by 25. Sixth question, in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC, AD is equal to x, BD is equal to x minus 3, A is equal to x plus 3, EC is equal to x minus 1. Find the value of x. So given AD is equal to x, BD is equal to x minus 3, A is equal to x plus 3, EC is equal to x minus 1. So D is parallel to BC, so we have to apply basic proportionality theorem, which is AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So AD is X, DB is X minus 3, AE is X plus 3, EC is X minus 1. When two fractions are equated, we have to do cross multiplication. X into X minus 1 is equal to X minus 3 into X plus 3. X into X is X square, X into 1 is X. It is in the form of A plus B into A minus B, which is A square minus B square. So X square minus 3 square. So clearly X square on either side will be get cancelled. Minus X is equal to minus 9. Obviously X will become 9. So the value of X is 9. We'll see section 2, first question, which is 7. Prove that root 3 plus root 7 is an irrational number. To prove root 3 plus root 7 is irrational, we have to assume root 3 plus root 7 as rational. So rational number means which is in the form of a by b. So root 3 plus root 7 is a by b. Obviously root 7 is equal to a by b minus root 3. Plus root 3 goes to other side, will become minus root 3. We have to square on both sides. 7 is equal to a square by b square plus 3 minus 2 into ab into root 3. So on doing the calculation, root 3 is equal to a square minus 4b square by b square into b by 2a, which is a integers. All these numbers a, b, 2, 4 are integers. Obviously, if they are integers, this will become a rational number. So if right side is rational number, obviously left side will also become rational. So we know that root 3 is not rational. Therefore, this is contradiction to our assumption that root 3 is rational. Therefore, root 3 plus root 7 is irrational number. Eighth question. If A is equal to 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, B is equal to 0, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, then prove that n of A plus n of B is equal to n of A union B plus n of A intersection B. So n of A means the elements which are there in A, we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in A there are 5 elements, so number of elements in A is 5. In B there are 6 elements, number of element in B is equal to 6, which we have to write together. అంటే రెండు కలిపి రాసేదాన్ని A union B అంటాం అన్నమాట. So A and B is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and n of A union B, number of elements in A union B is clearly 9. So to find n of A intersection B, first we have to calculate A intersection B, which is common elements in both the sets. 3 is common, 4 is also common in both sets. So A intersection B is 3, 4. Number of elements in A intersection B is 2. So we need to prove n of A plus n of B is equal to n of A union B plus n of A intersection B. So n of A plus n of B is 11, and n of A union B plus n of A intersection B, which is 9 plus 2, is also 11. Clearly left hand side and right hand side are equal. We can say that n of A plus n of B is equal to n of A union B plus n of A intersection B. Hence it is verified. Express sin theta in terms of tan theta and secant theta. So sin theta formula is root over 1 minus cos square theta. It is based on the identity 1. So sin theta is equal to 1 minus 1 by secant square theta. We know the reciprocal of cos is secant. So cos theta is equal to secant theta. Cos square theta is will become 1 by secant square theta. Secant square 1 is secant square minus 1 whole divided by secant square. Sin theta we expressed in terms of secant theta. So one of the problem is solved. Now we have to solve, convert sin theta in terms of tan theta. So secant square theta minus 1 is tan square theta. This is based on the identity secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So when secant square theta will become 1 plus tan square theta. So in the place of secant square theta minus 1, I am replacing with tan square theta based on this identity, and secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. So square root cancel, tan theta by root over 1 plus tan square theta. So we have converted sin theta in terms of secant theta and sin theta in terms of tan theta. 10th question. A person observes the top of a pole AB from a point Q at an angle of elevation 30 degrees. After walking to a point P 50 meters towards the pole, he observes the top of the pole again with some angle of elevation. If the distance between P and B is 25 meters, find the height of the pole. So as per the question, this is the diagram. So a person is observing the top of the pole A with making an angle 30 degrees, and he moved from Q to P point with 50 meters, and the distance between P and B is 25 meters. Clearly it is given in the question. These three conditions: 30 degrees, QP is 50 degrees, 50 meters, and PB is 25 meters. We need to find angle P in this question. In triangle AQB, tan 30 is equal to opposite by adjacent, which is AB by QB, which is 75. AB by 75. So tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. When two fractions are equated, we have to do cross multiplication. AB into root 3 is equal to 75 ones are 75. So AB is equal to 75 by root 3. So root 3 should not be there in the denominator. We have to rationalize root 3 into root 3 is 75 root 3 by 3, which is 25 root 3 meters. So AB, height of the pole is 25 root 3 meters. But our target is not finding the height of the pole. We have to find the theta, angle P here. In triangle APB, tan P is equal to, we have to take opposite by adjacent. Opposite is AB, adjacent is PB. So AB height of the pole, we got it as 25 root 3 and PB is 25. So tan P is equal to 25, 25 cancel root 3. In tan, root 3 will be for 60 degrees, therefore angle P is equal to 60 degrees. So we found out angle P, which is 60 degrees. 11th question. The radius and height of a joker cap are 6 centimeters and 8 centimeters respectively. If 1884 centimeters square paper is available, find the number of caps that can be manufactured from the paper sheet. Given radius of the cone is 6 centimeters and height of the cone is 8 centimeters, therefore slant height will become 10 centimeters based on the Pythagoras triad. So number of caps is nothing but area of the sheet required by curved surface area of the cone. Area of the sheet is given as 1884 by curved surface area of cone formula is pi RL. Pi value I am assumed it as 3.14 into 6 into 10 because radius is 6, slant height is 10. So after calculation 1884 by 188.4, which is nothing but 10. So number of caps can be made using the paper sheet of 1884 is 10. There is a rectangular board of dimension 6 feet by 4 feet fixed to a wall. There is a square portion in it with its sides 2 feet. If a ball is thrown on the board, find the probability that it falls on the square region. So we'll take a diagram. There is a rectangle with measurement 6 feet and 4 feet, and there is a square in between the rectangle which is of side 2 feet by 2 feet. So area of rectangle is 24 square feet, area of square is 4 square feet. 6 fours are 24, 2 twos are 4. So probability of event falling ball in the square box is favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. So favorable is square, which is 4 feet, and total area of this wall is 24 square feet. 4 by 24 is 1 by 6. We'll see section 3. It's long answers. We need to attempt 4 questions out of 6. Each question carries 6 marks. Total weightage is 24. 13th question. Construct an isosceles triangle whose base is 6 centimeters and equal sides are 4 centimeters. Then construct another triangle whose sides are 3/4 times of corresponding sides of the isosceles triangle. The construction looks like this. First, we need to draw a triangle with the given measurements. So 3/4 means the triangle will be the inside of the given triangle ABC. First, we need to make 4 equal parts. Draw a ray BX and make into 4 equal parts using compass. Then join fourth part, and we need to draw a line parallel to B4C from B3C dash. We have to draw from only from B3 because in the question it is asked 3 by 4. So third part we have to draw a parallel line from B4C. So again we need to draw another parallel line to AC from C dash to A dash. So this is triangle. The blue colored part is our required triangle A dash B C dash. Draw the graph of the polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus 3x minus 4 and find the zeros. Before drawing the graph in the graph paper, we need to take the points like this. So we have to assume y is equal to x square minus 3x minus 4, keeping the value of x as minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll get y values as 14, 6, 0, minus 4, minus 6, minus 6, minus 4, 0. So these points should be plotted in the graph sheet. So after plotting the points, the graph looks like this. Clearly the graph is meeting the x-axis at minus 1 and 4. So minus 1 and 4 are the zeros of the given polynomial. x square minus 3x minus 4. We'll see 17th question. The distribution below gives the weight of 50 students in a class. This is the data. Find the median weight of the students. So we need to find the median for this question. So for median, we need to take three boxes like this. One is class interval, frequency, less than cumulative frequency. Given frequencies, we have to arrange like this. And in the LCF, we need to keep on adding first observation till last observation. So keeping first observation as it is, 4 plus 7 is 11, 4 plus 7 plus 8 is 19, 4 plus 7 plus 8 plus 15 is 34, 34 plus 7 is 41, 41 plus 6 is 47, 47 plus 3 is 50. So whenever median is there, immediately you have to find n by 2 to find the median class. So we will get median class only by finding the value of n by 2. N is 50, 50 by 2 is 25. 25 lies after this LCF. So this class is called median class. So once after finding the median class, we have to take the formula of median, which is L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. L is lower frequency of the median class, which is 55. Replace L value with 55 plus n by 2 value we got it as 25. CF. So this 19 will become CF, and frequency 15 is the frequency, and H is the length of the class interval, which is 5. 55 to 60 difference is 5, so H will be 5. So 25 minus 19 is 6. 55 plus 6 5s are 30 by 15. 30 by 15 value is nothing but 2. 15 ones are 15 twos are. 52 plus 2 is 57. Our answer should always lies between this median class limit 55 to 60. 57 is clearly lies between 55 to 60. Therefore, median is 57. Solve the following pair of equation by reducing to a pair of linear equation. 14 by 2x plus 3y minus 1 by 2x minus 3y is equal to 1. 7 by 2x plus 3y plus 4 by 2x minus 3y is equal to 5. This is a question from pair of linear equation in two variables. Having the x and y in the denominator, it is really difficult to do the problem. So we have to assume 1 by 2x plus 3y as a, first one, and 1 by 2x minus 3y as b. Every time we have to do the process for this type of question like this. I repeat, 14 into 1 by 2x plus 3y. 1 by 2x plus 3y should be taken as a, and 1 by 2x minus 3y should be considered as b. So this term will become 14a. So many students will write as 14 by a. It is wrong. 1 by 2x plus 3y. 14 into 1 by 2x plus 3y is a. So 14a. 1 by 2x minus 3y is 1b, which is 1. Again, converting these equation in terms of a and b, 7 by 2x plus 3y. 7 means 7 into 1. So 1 by 2x plus 3y I have assumed as a. So 7a. 4 and 1 by 2x minus 3y we have considered as b. So 4b is equal to 5. So once you have converted this given pair of linear equations in terms of a and b, now we have to solve 1 and 2 equation. On solving 1 and 2, we got the value of a and b as 1 by 7 and b as 1. So after here the problem does not end. Solve means we need to find a and b. Here clearly we got solve means x and y. Finding x and y is our target in the question. Convert 1 by 2x plus 3y as a and 1 by 2x minus 3y as b. So a value we got it as 1 by 7 after solving 1 and 2 equation, and b value we got it as 1 by 1, which is 1. So clearly numerator will get cancelled. 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. We will take as third equation, and 2x minus 3y is equal to 1. We will consider it as fourth equation. Now solving 3 and 4. I told whenever such type of questions will be there in the denominator x and y, we need to do the elimination method two times. Already one time we got a and b. Now again solving 3 and 4 will get the value of x and y. So plus 3y minus 3y get cancelled. 2x plus 2x is 4x. 7 plus 1 is 8. So x is equal to 8 by 4, which is 2. Solving x in any one of the equation, we will get y value as 1. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is the solution for the given question. We'll discuss mathematics part B of Hyderabad district pre-final 2 question paper. First question, if P is equal to A cube B square C and Q is equal to A to the power of 4 B C square, where A, B, C are prime numbers, then HCF of P and Q are, it will be A cube B into C. Set of factors of 36 is X set, then which of the following is not a member of X? So 36 is a factor of 36, 1 is a factor of any number, that is 36. 18 is also factor of 36 because 18 twos are 36, but 7 is not the factor of 36. Correct option for second question is A. Degree of the polynomial root 2 x cube minus 3x square plus 4x plus 1 is 3. Degree means highest power. Highest power in the given polynomial is 3. So degree of the polynomial is 3. In a quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, then minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square represent sum of 0. Coefficient of x means b, coefficient of x square is a, minus b by a is formula for sum of zeros. With a pair of equation 2x minus ky plus 3 is equal to 0 and 4x plus 6y minus 5 is equal to 0, they represent parallel lines. Then find the value of k. In the place of k, there will be one number we need to find. If the lines are parallel, we need to take the condition a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. Here a1 is 2, a2 is 4, so 2 by 4 is equal to b1 by b2 minus k by 6. So when two ratios are equated, we need to do cross multiplication. Minus 4 into k is minus 4k, 2 6 are 12. So k value ఏమవుతుంది అంటే 12 by minus 4 which is minus 3. So value of k is A option minus 3. Which of the following represents statement 2 women and 5 men can do together a piece of work in 4 days in the form of a linear equation? So we need to change this given situation in form of linear equation. The correct option will be 2 by x plus 5 by y is equal to 1 by 4. Discriminant of the equation 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0 is. So discriminant అనగానే మనం ఈ ఫార్ములా రాసుకోవాలి b square minus 4ac. So b is minus 3, a is 2 and c is a constant 5. So minus 3 square value will become plus 9. 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. Clearly the answer is minus 31, which is option B. Which of the following angles of a triangle are in arithmetic progression? So arithmetic progression lo second term minus first term will be same as third term minus second term. So a2 minus a1, a3 minus a2 equal గా ఉండాలన్నమాట. సో చూద్దాం ఏ ఆప్షన్ కరెక్ట్ గా ఉందో లేదో చూద్దాం. So 50 minus 30 is 20, 90 minus 50 is 40. So a2 minus a1 and a3 minus a2 are not equal. 60 minus 30 is 30 and 90 minus 60 is 30. Here both a2 minus a1 and a3 minus a2 are equal. So correct option is option B. Midpoint of the line joining the points minus 2, 3 and 4 minus 5 is. Midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. x1 ఇక్కడ minus 2 plus 4 by 2, y1 plus y2 అంటే 3 minus 5 by 2. So minus 2 plus 4 is 2 by 2. 3 minus 5 is minus 2 by 2. పెద్ద number symbol పెట్టాలి. 2 by 2 is 1. Minus 2 by 2 is minus 1. 1 comma minus 1 is the correct option. So answer is C. 1 comma minus 1. If the slope of the line joining 1 comma x and 4 comma minus 2 is minus 2, find the value of x. Slope formula తెలుసు y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 should be equated with minus 2. ఎందుకంటే slope is అన్నప్పుడు slope is equal to minus 2 పెట్టుకోవాలి. So y2 is 2, 2 minus y1 is x by x2 minus x1 is equal to minus 2. 2 minus x by 3 is equal to minus 2. When division goes to other side, it will become multiplication. 2 minus x is equal to minus 6. Minus x is equal to minus 6 minus 2. So x value will become 8. Minus x is equal to minus 8 వస్తుంది. Negative negative cancel అయినప్పుడు x is equal to 8. Correct option for 10th question is A. 8 answer. A line intersecting a circle in two points is called secant. So circle లో 2 points కు టచ్ చేస్తే అది secant, అదే 1 point లో కట్ చేస్తే అది tangent. Which of the following statement is false? Two squares are similar. This is a true statement. Two equilateral triangles are also similar. This is also true. Two isosceles triangles are similar. This is false. Two line segments are similar. Correct option for 12th question is C. Curved surface area of a cone is pi RL. In this formula, L represents slant height. So L is equal to root over R square plus H square. 14th question, find the value of secant square 30 minus cot square 60. Secant square 30 value, before finding secant square 30, we have to take the secant 30 value, which is 2 by root 3 whole square. Cot 60 value is 1 by root 3 whole square. So 2 square value is 4, root 3 square value is 3, 1 square is 1, root 3 square value is 3. So denominator is same, 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 by 3 answer is 1. Correct option for 14th question is D. 15th question, if sine 35 is equal to cos A, then the value of A is. Sine 35 can be expressed as sine 90 minus 55. సో 90 మైనస్ 55 వాల్యూ 35 కాబట్టి ఈ విధంగా రాసుకోవాలి. ఎందుకు 90 మైనస్ ఏ తీసుకోవాలంటే కాంప్లిమెంటరీ యాంగిల్ కాబట్టి. స్టాండర్డ్ యాంగిల్స్ మినహాయించి 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 ఎనీ ఆఫ్ దిస్ అపార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ ఎనీ యాంగిల్ వి కాల్ ఇట్ యాజ్ కాంప్లిమెంటరీ యాంగిల్. So 35 can be expressed as 90 minus 55. Sine will become cos. Cos 55 is equal to cos A. Cos will be cancelled. A will be 55 degrees. Correct option is option B, 55. P of is equal to 0.062, then value of P of not E is. సో ఎప్పుడైనా ఈ అయినా నాట్ ఈ అయినా అడిగారంటే 1 మైనస్ గివెన్ వాల్యూ చేయాలి స్టూడెంట్స్. 1 మైనస్ 0.062. 1 అంటే 1.30 పెట్టుకోవాలి, ఎందుకంటే డెసిమల్ నెంబర్స్ ఇచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్లో 3 డెసిమల్ ప్లేసెస్ ఉన్నాయి. 062. సో ఇట్ విల్ బికమ్ 10, 9, 9, 0. 10 minus 2 is 8, 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 0 is 9. Correct option is 0.938. Option A is the correct answer. If a die is thrown once, the probability of getting a prime number. So die stage ఒకసారి throw చేస్తే we have this పాసిబుల్ అవుట్కమ్స్ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ఏదైనా పడే అవకాశాలు ఉన్నాయి. ఇందులో ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్ అడిగాడు కాబట్టి ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్ ఆర్ 2, 3, 5. సో ప్రాబబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ ఎనీ ఈవెంట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు నంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఫేవరబుల్ అవుట్కమ్స్. ఇక్కడ 3 ఫేవరబుల్ అవుట్కమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి బై టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పాసిబుల్ అవుట్కమ్స్ 6. సో 3 by 6 is nothing but 1 by 2. 18th question, the formula x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. A represents assumed mean among the made values. 5, 7, 10, 9, 10, 8, 10, 12, 13. Mode of the given data is. Mode means most repeated value. Here 10 is repeated more times. So mode value is 10. Correct option is B. In the given figure, AD is equal to 4, DB is equal to 4, AE is equal to 6, EC is equal to 6, DE is equal to 5. Find the length of BC. So ఇచ్చిన వాల్యూస్ డయాగ్రామ్ ప్రకారం రాసుకుందాం. AD 4 ఇచ్చారు, DB 4, AE 6, EC 6. The length of BC is equal to.